Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And do you know what is it? Say it out loud. Yes, it's funhhtoys. Today we're gonna be unboxing this video. It's about Card Early Education D Voice. So let's start to unbox. Wow! What is this? This looks like a pink color radio, I guess. Well, let's check it out. And this one is children's preschool cards. Wow! And we have the instructions here. Let's see. So first, let's take out the cards. So in this video, we're gonna be only seeing few cards because there are so many. So let's see the cards about nature. So let's on this thing. So here there are two buttons and let's on it.
Nice to meet you, little friend. Find a card to play with me.
So let's reduce the volume. Okay. Now let's turn it upside down and insert the card.
Flower.
What is it?
Flower.
Yes, it is a flower. And on the back side, it is a tree.
Tree.
Yes.
Tree.
So that was a tree. The next one is a cloud.
Cloud.
What is it?
Cloud.
Yes, it's a cloud. And on the back side, it is a rainbow.
Rainbow.
Yes.
Rainbow.
The next one is a river.
River.
What is it?
River.
Yes, it's a river. And on the back side, it is a sea. What is it?
Sea.
Again?
Sea.
Yes, it's a sea. The next one is a mountain.
Mountain.
What is it?
Mountain.
Yes, it's a mountain. And on the back side, it is a beach. What is it?
Beach.
Yes, it's a beach. The next one is a moon.
Moon.
What is it?
Moon.
Yes, it's a moon. And on the back side, it is the sun. What is it?
Sun.
Again?
Sun.
Yes.